Jumping straight into it, in today's video we're taking a look at the YOKA TV IPX1. This is a compact 4K Android TV box designed for smooth streaming, simple setup and everyday entertainment. So let's see what it offers, how it performs and whether it's worth considering. Straight out of the box, the first thing I notice is how compact this unit is. Taking a closer look, on the back we have an IR input, AV, LAN Ethernet, HDMI, SPDIF and DC power in. Flipped on the side we get two USB ports and a micro SD card slot. In the box itself is very small, literally fits in the palm of my hand. The remote actually feels pretty premium. It has plenty of buttons, a clean layout, and it only takes two AAA batteries. The power adapter is the classic tube style one, but it comes with a UK plug, which is a nice touch. Inside the box you also get an HDMI cable and a basic user manual. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. This unit was sent to me for review, but no money was exchanged. There is no paid script and all opinions in these videos are entirely my own. I'm not promoting or encouraging the purchase of this product. This is simply a hands-on overview and personal opinion. On the first boot, the setup process only takes a few seconds. You'll need to pair the remote by holding OK and volume down buttons. From there you set your screen resolution, choose your date format, connect to Wi-Fi. It's exactly what you expect from a standard Android TV box. Once setup is complete, you land on the YOKA TV IPX1 home screen. The user interface feels familiar but also clean and simple. Out of the box, it comes with popular apps pre-installed. That includes Disney+, Netflix, Prime Video and the Google Play Store. Navigation is smooth, menus respond quickly, and everything feels easy to use with the remote. Before going any further, let's quickly go over the specs. The YOKA TV IPX1 is powered by a quad-core ARM Cortex-A35 CPU clocked at 2.0 GHz on ARM G31MP2 GPU, includes 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal eMMC storage, and connectivity includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 and wired Ethernet. Software-wise, it's running Android TV OS 11. On the system settings, it confirms we're running Android TV OS 11. If you scroll all the way down and tap the build number a few times, you can enable developer options. And with 16 gigs of storage, there's plenty of space for apps and overall system access is straightforward. Checking DRM information, it does appear to report L1. However, I can't fully confirm this through testing as I don't currently have any active premium streaming subscriptions. What I can confirm is that Jellyfin works perfectly, playback is smooth, controls are responsive and there's no stuttering or lag. For local media streaming, it does exactly what it needs to do. Voice controls on the remote work absolutely fine. Let me quickly show you. Open YouTube. I enable stats for nerds, and as you can see, YouTube playback is running at 1440p. It is smooth and stable. One extra feature is the ability to change your wallpaper. There's a built-in gallery with several preset backgrounds, so you can customize the home screen to your liking. Now, this device can handle basic classic systems like NES, SNES, Mega Drive very well. PlayStation 1 games may run in certain emulators, especially 2D or simple titles, but heavier 3D PS1 games may struggle. PSP emulation is now really practical on these bugs, but Android games like BB Racing will run just fine. That's going to wrap this one up. At the time of this filming, pricing hasn't been shared with me yet, but as soon as I have more information, I'll add it in a pinned comment along with the official website. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.